In JavaScript, arrays can contain other arrays, creating multi-dimensional arrays. These are useful for representing more complex data structures, such as matrices or grids. Let's explore how to create and manipulate multi-dimensional arrays. Let's create a 2D array representing a grid or matrix. So let matrix equals an array of arrays 1, 2, 3. The next array is 4, 5, 6, and third array 7, 8, 9. To access elements in a multi-dimensional array, we need to specify both the row and the column indexes. For example, to access the element at row 1, column 2, let element equals matrix 1, 2. And the element is 6. We can modify elements in a multi-dimensional array like this. Matrix 2, 0 equals 10. And this changes the element at row 2, column 0 to 10. We can flatten a multi-dimensional array into a single-dimensional array using the flat method. Let flat matrix equals matrix flat. The flat method creates a new array with all sub-arrays elements concatenated into it recursively up to the specified depth. Let's practice what we have learned. Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. Here is our matrix, and let's use flat to flatten the matrix and then reduce to calculate the sum. Let sum equals matrix flat and then reduce sum number, where sum plus number starting from 0. Now let's declare the nested array. Let nested array equals an array of 1, array of 2 and 3, and the second array 4, array of 5 and 6. Finally, let's use flat to flatten the nested array into a single-dimensional array. Let flattened array equals nested array flat 2, and we need to pass 2 as a flat argument since the depth of the array is 2. We can also pass infinity to flat since nested array flat infinity flattens the nested array into a completely flattened single-dimensional array regardless of the depth of the nesting. So nested array flat infinity.